Haan pare, tas saan eh?
Saan?
When? Ano ka video kan? Taka na eh. Ito.
Alright, lovely couple. I'll continue your dance later. Sige, picture pa ka, no? Maminsan lang eh. Ano kami kaya? When it is said that a successful marriage involves three hearts becoming one. The hearts of the husband, the wife, and God at the center. So let us give thanks to the one who made this life possible, the author of life, love, and relationships, our one true God. And to lead us in prayer, and also to say grace before our meals, let us welcome me, myself, and I. Please all rise. At tayo tayo, and let us bless the food. Please bow down our hands and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, love has been your richest and greatest gift to the world. Love